videos, I'm gonna show you how to make the best jollof rice. So start by grabbing your veggies. Here's the list on your screen. Make sure to wash all your veggies thoroughly. It's important that you wash them first. You don't want to get sick from unwashed veggies. After that, we're gonna roast those veggies. You can use an air fryer or an oven. I used an air fryer and roast them for about 15 minutes. After you roast them, you're gonna wait for them to cool down and then transfer them into your blender and blend all these veggies. You're not gonna need all the veggies for your jollof, but you're gonna need some of it. The rest of the blended veggies, you're gonna put them in the fridge for later, for something else that you're gonna cook, maybe. And this is the result. Look at that thick mixture. Gosh. The base is so important for jollof. It really is what makes or break your jollof, in my opinion. And I think this base is gonna make your jollof. Okay, we're gonna set that mixture aside. And we're gonna make our chicken. For the chicken, start by cutting onions and garlic into some small pieces. And then we're gonna grab our washed chicken and add those chopped onions and garlic into the chicken. Add them to the chicken. Add some chicken bouillon. Add some thyme. Add some paprika. Add some curry powder. And add some water. And we're gonna finish with some salt. So add some salt to your chicken. And we're gonna let that cook for a couple of minutes. About 15 or so. There. Look at that. The smell alone. Okay, now we're gonna separate the chicken from the liquid because we're gonna use the liquid to cook the jollof rice. So separate them. The onions and the garlics are gonna stay on top of the chicken, and the liquid is gonna stay on the bottom, in the bottom container. Now we're gonna set that aside and start cooking our jollof rice. Okay, so in a pot, add some oil. And let that oil heat up. After the oil is hot, we're gonna go in with some tomato paste. I used about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Tomato paste really gives jollof the red color that it has, and also a really nice taste and flavor. I love tomato paste in my jollof. So after you add that tomato paste into your hot oil, you're gonna mix it together and let the oil fry the tomato paste. Let me know down in the comment section if you've ever tried jollof. If you haven't, then definitely try it. It's so good. Okay, now we're gonna add some chopped onions into that tomato paste. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Onions is gonna give your tomato paste a really nice flavor. And ultimately your jollof rice a really nice flavor. Gosh, I cannot wait for this to be ready. The most difficult thing about cooking for me, honestly, is having to wait for the food to be ready. Like, by the time I start, I just want the food to be ready. Okay, we're gonna go in with that mixture that we blended earlier. You don't need all of it. You're gonna need about, I don't know, a fourth of that mixture. About a fourth of it is what I used for my recipe. Mix that all together. And now add some oil. We're gonna need a little bit more oil in this so that the oil can fry the mixture, because we want that mixture to fry, like to get fried up. Before we add the rice to it. So add the oil, mix it together, and let the oil fry your mixture. And now you're gonna add your rice. Once your mixture looks like this, you're ready to add the rice. Make sure to wash your rice and then add it to that mixture. At this point, your whole kitchen is starting to smell real nice. Like, okay, once you add the rice, you're gonna mix it all together. Mix it, mix it, mix it. You want your rice to absorb all of that. Mix it. Look at how good that looks already, and it's not even cooked yet. So just imagine when it's cooked. Now you're gonna go in with your chicken stock. And I tell you, it smells good. I mean, it smells really good. I'm not even kidding. Go try it for yourself and let me know if I'm lying. Okay, once you add that chicken stock, you mix it up, and then you add also a little bit of water. You don't want to add too much water or too much stock, because you want your rice to absorb all the flavor, and you don't want your rice to be a watery rice either. So you want your rice to absorb all the flavor while cooking real nicely. So you want the liquid to be just like right above your rice. Salted your mixture to taste. Salted your rice to taste. Mix it all up together. And cover it up with an aluminum foil. Once you cover it up like that, you're gonna let that rice cook for a good 10 to 15 minutes. So this is my rice after 10 to 15 minutes. I opened it and turn it around a little bit. Oh, and also cook it on low to medium heat. So medium to low heat. You don't want to cook it on high heat, otherwise your rice is just gonna burn. So you want to cook it on medium to low heat. Alright, eat back up and go fry your chicken. Watch me struggle to turn that chicken around. If you don't want to struggle like me, just use some tongs. It's just because I didn't have tongs, that's why I used that. But if you don't want to suffer, if you're soft life gang, then go grab you some tongs. Those chicken are cooking real nicely. Can't wait. While you're watching, don't forget to like, share, subscribe so that I can bring you guys more and more recipes. Gosh, I'm done doing my chicken, and now my rice is ready as well. So I put it in my plate, put the chicken on the side, and look at that. It looks so good. Gosh, I'm ready to shop it though. I'm ready to shop that rice. Oh, bye you guys.